Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, after several months, we have launched the parents portal for Masjid Aisha Madrasah. This is a short tutorial to show you how to navigate through the portal and explain some of the features we have on the portal. So, first of all, the email that you use to register your child with our madrasa, you use that email and then you create a password first time logging in. Once you log in, this is the dashboard that we have. So this is a test account. We have a parent with two children, Khadija Patel and Adam Patel. So on the dashboard is just a snapshot of their details, which class they're in, who's the teacher, any medical records, and any merits awarded. Then we have the details, your own contact details as parents. You can change it here, which will reflect on the main frame for the madrasa. You can also add a new contact. So if the father's on there and you want to add the mother, then you can add the mother on there and any guardians as well. Class schedule, and this is basically self-explanatory. Monday to Friday, 5 till 6:30, and who the teacher is. Student diaries. So every section of every book has been categorized individually to allow the parents to follow the progress of the student. So if you look at Aqaid book 1, so a student, by the time they finish the Aqaid section of the book 1, they should have known these items here, or these things from the book. What we can do here as well, you can also add a note. So this teacher's note is added from the teacher side, and then as parents you can add a note here as well. So you can add a note here to say we have been revising at home. Just an example note. So that gets saved, the note, and then once they complete this, and then they move on to the next section. Then we have homework. So the homework could be set by the Ustad, the APA. And if you look at here, for example, half qaida exam, just an example of what the homework was for, and any instructions given by the teacher. As parents, you can click on mark complete. You can put some comments there, and I'll just put Alhamdulillah completed, mark as complete there. And then so update send, so that will come on, show that the homework is completed. You can also navigate through your other child if you have more than one child attending a madrasa, using this option here on the right hand side, top right hand side. We then come to the fees section, and Alhamdulillah, this is a brilliant feature because all the fees are visible from previous months and future on this side, on this section of the portal. And for every month, an invoice is created for the fees, which you can see on the left hand side, invoice number. Now you can select this option, set up a direct debit, and then monthly you'll be able to, it'll be debited from your account. Now if you prefer to pay on a monthly basis, then you click on make payments. You select the number of months that you want to pay the fees for, by default it will select all the months that are overdue. So say for example you want to pay the first 4 months. I've selected here. Click on pay by card, and then it'll go to a secure checkout where you can pay the 4 months. You can pay by Apple Pay, Google Pay, and then also with your own card as well. So if you go back, so that's the fee section. So once again, the link that's currently being used to make the fee payment will be inactive. All the subscriptions, monthly payment subscription, recurring payments will be cancelled from the donor box, the website that we used before. From now on, everything will be managed through the portal. Then we look at attendance here, self-explanatory. You can see how many times they've been present, absent and late, authorized and unauthorized. So it's the duty of the parents or the guardian to let the teacher know that the student will be late and everything. I'll show you how to communicate with the teachers as well, how to send that information or that notice. Here we have holiday requests. I'll just show you this because there was an option there. So for example, Adam Patel Umrah trip, this will go to the admin. So if you request a holiday, one or both of your children, if you have, you put the date. So let's say today, and then till 5th of March, and then you say family vacation, and then send the request, and that will be pending status. And then once it's been authorized, you'll see it's authorized here. Then we have events. We've not done many events outside trips or anything from the madrasa, but in the future we will. But this will also include events at the madrasa. We have so parents are sort of kept up to date as well. If you feel your child is not going to participate for whatever reason, speak to us, let us know why. If there's any issues that we can sort out, then that's fine, inshallah. So you can view the event and you can opt in and opt out from this section. Term reports. So this is end of year report that will be here. That will be shown on here, and it will include everything: the attendance, the merits, and how much they've progressed and everything. Exam results, these are progressive tests. So Adam Patel, other book 1 is scored 45 out of 50, and it automatically gives them the percentage and the grade. And then previous exams here, and then the progressive tests here. If you have any questions regarding this, you can by all means message the teacher directly. Yeah. Incidents, any incidents that has happened at the madrasa, then it'll be reported by the teacher or the admin, and then what action has been taken, and this will be visible on your portal. Then we have merits, and there's a selection, I think about 12 to 15 merits that they can be awarded, positive or negative. And as soon as they're awarded, the parents will get an email or a notification on the portal saying that they've, a merit has been awarded, either positive or negative. Any certificates that have been awarded, so Khadija best behavior, Adam best performance. So this is an example of the certificate that's been awarded. Now, products. So say for example you've lost your book, or the child's lost the book, or they need a bag or something, a replacement item from the madrasa, then they can select the products here. Obviously, I'll be updating the products as we progress. Select the student and then add. Now that's been added to the cart, and then you can check out. Now it says your order is complete. You can visit the fees payment page. Now once you've added, it's been added to the fees payment page, as you can see here, it's been added here, 26 of 2nd 2026. So if you want to make a payment just for that, you can deselect all them and click on pay by card. That's £7 for the book. Once you paid, then we'll get a notification, and your item will be ready to collect from the office. Then we have holiday term dates. We're still updating the 2027 dates as well, inshallah. Holiday requests, we've discussed that. And then contact school. Now all communication should be done through the portal. So if a student's coming late, if the student's needs to leave early and everything, because we have a track record of everything on there. So you can contact the teacher, Adam's teacher, or Khadijah's if it's another teacher. You can send them both the message, subject message send, it'll go to their portal. Or you can send a message to admin if you have any queries or concerns. General communication, maybe concern, or if it's regarding your specific child. So that's all. And then we have the account. That's just the contact details for your child, which you can be updated from here. So that's all, alhamdulillah. So this will be this is just a short tutorial on how to navigate through the parents portal for Masjid Aisha Madrasah. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.